A dirty colon holds pounds of toxic waste, leaking harmful toxins back into your bloodstream every day. Stop relying on pills. Flush out toxic waste and cleanse your colon naturally at home with these 10 super easy drink recipes. Effective colon cleansing does not require laxatives. Let us explore natural, safe methods to support your digestive health. When the inner self is balanced, your true vitality shines through. A gentle, powerful energy flowing. Have you ever woken up feeling heavy, bloated, or fatigued despite a full night's sleep? Many do not realize that a congested colon is the silent cause of heavy body, dull skin, and low energy.
When waste remains in the gut, toxins are reabsorbed into the blood, affecting your overall health.
Relying on laxatives for quick relief can weaken your colon, making it lazy and dependent.
Allow the smooth currents of wellness to wash over you, bringing clarity and calm.
Simple changes like hydration and choosing the right drinks can restore smooth, natural bowel function. This natural approach is non-addictive, gentle, and suitable for all ages, from middle-aged to seniors. When your colon is clean, you will feel lighter, enjoy food more, and have a clearer, more positive mind. Today, we will dive deep into natural ways to cleanse your colon without relying on harsh laxatives. What about you? Do you often struggle with constipation, bloating, or a feeling of incomplete elimination? To understand why your body feels heavy, we must look at the root causes of colon congestion. Modern lifestyles often involve fast food and processed items, which are low in natural fiber. Without enough fiber, waste moves slowly, sticking to the colon walls and accumulating toxins. Drinking too little water, or only when thirsty, causes stool to become hard and difficult to pass. Sedentary habits and lack of movement weaken the colon's natural contractions, making it lazy. Chronic stress disrupts the gut-brain axis, leading to irregular bowel movements and digestive imbalance. As we age, digestive enzymes decrease and gut flora becomes imbalanced, making waste retention more likely. Skipping meals or eating late at night disrupts your biological clock, affecting digestion and elimination. These small, daily habits accumulate over time, leading to a congested colon that you might not notice until symptoms appear.
Once you understand these causes, you can choose the right drinks to support your colon naturally.
Here are 10 natural drinks that effectively support colon cleansing. First, pure coffee. It stimulates colon contractions and aids natural waste elimination. Caffeine triggers the colon to move, while polyphenols nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Drink it black, without sugar or cream, in the morning after a glass of warm water. Second, aloe vera juice. It is soothing and helps lubricate the colon for easier elimination.
Its polysaccharides and natural fiber soften stool, while its anti-inflammatory properties calm the gut.
Ensure it is properly prepared to remove the yellow latex, which can be irritating. Third, ginger and lemon tea. It warms the digestive tract and stimulates healthy movement. Ginger reduces spasms, and lemon provides vitamin C to support liver detoxification. Drink this warm in the morning or before meals for the best results. Fourth, warm water in the morning. It is the simplest way to wake up your digestive system. It lubricates the colon, softens waste, and improves blood flow to the gut. Make it a habit to drink a glass immediately upon waking up. Fifth, diluted apple cider vinegar with lemon. It balances pH and stimulates digestive enzymes. Always dilute it to protect your stomach lining, and drink it in the morning. It helps soften stool and supports liver function, making elimination easier. Sixth, pineapple and papaya smoothie. These fruits contain enzymes that break down protein and aid digestion. Third, ginger and lemon tea. It warms the digestive tract and stimulates healthy movement. Drink this during the day without added sugar for the best effect. Seventh, ground flax seeds with kefir. This combination is a powerhouse for gut health. Kefir provides probiotics, while flax seeds offer fiber to soften and move waste. Consume this in the morning or as a snack to support regular bowel movements. Eighth, chia seed water. These seeds form a gel that helps move waste through the colon. They are also rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation in the gut lining. Drink this throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep your digestion smooth. Ninth, herbal teas like chamomile and peppermint. They relax the gut and reduce spasms. These are caffeine-free and perfect for evening relaxation to support overnight digestion. They help calm the mind and body, which is essential for healthy digestion. 10th, ginger and artichoke tea. This blend supports liver health and stimulates bile production. Better bile flow means better digestion and easier waste elimination from the colon. Drink this regularly to keep your liver and colon functioning optimally. Remember these 3 golden rules for safe colon cleansing: no force, consistency, and synchronization. Never force your colon to empty. Let it work naturally with your support. Consistency is key. Small, daily habits are more effective than occasional, harsh cleanses. Synchronize your habits with your body's natural rhythm for the best results. Colon cleansing is a long-term journey, not a quick fix. Be patient and kind to your body. Start with small changes and listen to your body's response. Chew your food slowly and eat at regular times to support your digestion. Get enough sleep, as your nervous system needs rest to regulate digestion. You deserve to feel light, energetic, and healthy every single day. If you found this information helpful, please share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your colon, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep listening to your body. Coffee is a great morning ritual, but keep it pure and simple.
vera is a gentle healer for your gut.
Ginger tea is perfect for warming and soothing your digestion.
Warm water is the foundation of a healthy morning routine. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful tool for balancing your gut.
Smoothies are a delicious way to get your daily dose of enzymes.
Flax seeds and kefir are a perfect pair for gut health. Chia water is a simple, effective way to stay hydrated and regular. Herbal teas are a soothing end to your day. Ginger and artichoke tea is a great way to support your liver. Consistency is the secret to long-term health. Keep drinking your water and stay consistent. Take your time with your meals. Rest well and let your body heal. You are on the right path to health.
Enjoy your morning coffee, but keep it simple.
Aloe vera is a gentle, natural choice. Ginger tea is a warm, comforting choice. Warm water is always a good idea. Apple cider vinegar is a great way to start your day. Smoothies are a delicious, healthy treat. Flax seeds and kefir are a great combination. Chia water is a simple, effective choice. Herbal tea is a soothing, relaxing choice. Ginger and artichoke tea is a great liver supporter. Consistency is the key to success. Keep drinking your water and stay consistent. Take your time with your meals. As the morning light fills the room, she rests in the comfort of a life well lived. You are on the right path to health. Enjoy your morning coffee, but keep it simple. Aloe vera is a gentle, natural choice. Ginger tea is a warm, comforting choice. Warm water is always a good idea. Apple cider vinegar is a great way to start your day. Smoothies are a delicious, healthy treat. Flax seeds and kefir are a great combination. Chia water is a simple, effective choice. Herbal tea is a soothing, relaxing choice. Ginger and artichoke tea is a great liver supporter. Consistency is the key to success.
Keep drinking your water and stay consistent.
Take your time with your meals. Rest well and let your body heal. You are on the right path to health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep listening to your body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.
Master your biology, optimize your life. Like, share, and subscribe to Biohack Protocol Lab. See you in the next protocol.